Today we're going to be making an apple pie. Let's start with the crust. We're going to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's go ahead and sift that out. 1 stick of room temperature butter and 4 tablespoons of ice cold water. And let's go ahead and get this mixed into a nice dough ball. After the dough has formed, knead for 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to need a top and bottom crust, so we're just going to take the dough ball and divide it into 2 pieces. And now we're going to start working on our pie filling. I've got 5 gala apples, and I'm just going to cut these up and get them ready for the food processor. Let's work on the pie filling. I've got the apple sliced. We're going to pour over the juice of half of a lemon. Go ahead and mix that up. Add 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, or more if you like, and a little bit of salt. Let's go ahead and mix these ingredients in really good. All right, let's get our pie crust ready. I'm gonna prep my pie pan with some butter. And I'm going to perforate the bottom a little bit. We're going to put our filling in. And if you have any of this mixture left over, don't throw it away. It's really good in oatmeal, or you can use it in your yogurt for breakfast. Let's roll out the top layer and get this pie in the oven. To make sure my crusts stick together, I'm just going to go around the edge with a little egg wash before we lay down the top crust. And I'm going to go around the edge with my little fork here. We're going to cut the excess off. And before I make the vents, I'm going to go ahead and brush on our egg wash. And we're going to put some vents in the pie. Place in the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Afterwards, allow the pie to cool and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.